a travel day. Tina, Russell, and I are loaded up in the Odyssey, and we're headed south to Mammoth Caves National Park in Kentucky. With the boat in the shop for the foreseeable future, we decided to take advantage of the opportunity to get out and explore, get our passports stamped, and check another national park off the list. I know the sign on the building says TJS Bassin, and that will always be the main content of this channel. I like to think that we're growing, which poses the question I have for everybody. Should we name these special episodes? And if so, what? The Adventures of Tina and Russell? Leave your comments down below.
Turn right onto Bourbon Trace. Then you'll take your first right onto Boundary Oak Drive. Turn right onto Boundary Oak Drive. Then your destination will be on the left.
I was supposed to turn that way. Yeah. Our home for night one of this trip is the Boundary Oak Distillery. It's an official Harvest Toast location, which means we get to park the Odyssey right on the property for the night, stretch our legs, and get a good look at some local Kentucky history. Whenever you utilize a Harvest Toast, it's always a good idea to head straight inside, sign the guest book, and check in with the folks running the place. The gift shop has a really unique rustic layout. They've got the showroom packed with local apparel, custom gear, historical displays, and a massive line of their own custom spirits and high-proof moonshines lining the shelves.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So what do you think of your first taste of bourbon?
I don't think I like it.
So this candle right here is actually an empty bottle of that liquor. They cut the top off of it, reused it for a candle. Pretty neat. Had a little extra time before dinner, so we decided to explore Radcliffe, Kentucky a little bit more, and we ended up at the Saunders Spring Nature Preserve. Did about a mile and a half in the park, and thought these cabins were really cool. So our stay at the Harvest Toast at the Boundary Oak Distillery was quite nice. Very, very quiet, peaceful. Woke up this morning to a police car in the parking lot. We did not get a knock, which was kind of reassuring, kind of put us at ease a little bit about staying there. Tina got an opportunity to try her first bourbon. I don't drink, so I didn't partake. But we highly recommend. It's a nice place to stop and spend a night. Got a little bit of a travel day today. We're going from Radcliffe, Kentucky down to the Mammoth Caves Visitor Center. About a little over an hour drive. It's weather's calling for rain and thunderstorms this morning, and clearing up this afternoon. So we're going to take our time and get on over to the visitor center and see what we can do inside for a little while for the rain to pass, and then if it doesn't, we got rain gear. We'll get out and explore. This is the Green River, the region's master stream. Over incredible expanses of geological time, this flowing water deeply carved and entrenched itself into the valley. By continuously dissolving the porous limestone, it created the massive underground labyrinth of Mammoth Cave right beneath our feet. Today, it stands as one of the most biologically diverse rivers in all of North America. And this is where the massive subterranean network finally meets the daylight. This is the River Styx Spring. After flowing completely underground through the dark cave passages, the River Styx emerges right here to join the Green River. This unique, mineral-rich groundwater is home to incredibly specialized aquatic life that exists nowhere else, including eyeless cave fish and the endangered Kentucky cave shrimp. There's an unwritten law when you're on a road trip. Stopping at a Buc-ee's is absolutely mandatory. Today is a true rite of passage because it's Tina and Russell's very first time.
Chris, get on the board!
This is Tina and Russell's first Buc-ee's brisket sandwich. Turning out to be a pretty nice day.
Yeah.
We spent the morning a little wet, a little muddy. We did 6 miles in the park today. We're gonna have some dinner and then we're gonna go check out these Sloan's Crossing Pond Walk.
We grabbed a spot at Dino Valley RV Park for the night. It's incredibly convenient to Mammoth Cave, but at $60 a night, it's a bit pricey for what you get. The reviews are spot on. It's a wide open lot with 0 trees right next to a loud highway. Aside from clean showers, a laundry room, a small playground, there are absolutely no other amenities, not even on-site staff. It's strictly a place to park and hook up. Thankfully, running the roof fans in the Odyssey completely drowned out the road noise so we could get some sleep. Day 2 and it's finally time to head underground. We're descending the stairs into the Mammoth Cave system to see exactly why this place is a designated World Heritage Site. Stepping inside, you pass right by the remnants of the historic saltpeter works before the pathways really open up. The sheer scale of these rooms is incredible, but you definitely need a hoodie down here. The temperature drops fast and stays perfectly cool year round. We pushed all the way back to Lookout Mountain. Standing in the middle of these massive ancient rock breakdowns really puts the immense size of this system into perspective before we wrapped up the underground tour. Leaving the darkness behind, we headed back out into the bright green to check out exactly how this entire cave system is fueled from the surface. The trails above ground are just as wild as the caves below. These muddy creeks and lush sinkholes feed directly into the underground rivers we just walked through, connecting the entire ecosystem together.
Well guys, that wraps up an incredible look at underground history and the surface trails of Mammoth Cave National Park. We really enjoyed what the park had to offer. Some really nice hikes, some beautiful scenery, and some interesting history. With this trip in the books, Mammoth Cave is park number 3, checked off of the master list for the Odyssey and the crew. We have another national park on the list and are currently in the planning stages. The park gear put away, my attention's shifted and focused on the tournament season. We had to make a tough decision earlier in the year to cancel the Toyota Series events. The plan as of right now is to get the Triton back on the water by the end of June and focus on the Ohio Bass Federation tournaments and see if we can't make it to nationals. We have a massive channel update dropping very soon about the rig situation and the strategy for the rest of the season. You're not going to want to miss out on what happens next. If you enjoyed this episode, hit them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Leave me a comment down below about your favorite dog-friendly road trips. Make sure you have them notifications turned on. Until the next one, I'll see you on the water.